Hi everyone, I am Anvi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you 2 points that you have to remember for creating a character, and you can create black. So second is back, then third is right, and the fourth is left.